In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an automatic response, which we typically set up when we're going to be out of the office for a vacation or away for a period of time. It's a common question that gets asked all the time for our staff, and so I just want to show you how you can easily create an automatic response. So here we are in Microsoft Outlook, and we're going to come up here to the File menu, and here's the Automatic Replies section for Out of Office. So we're going to go ahead and click on this button. And you have two different settings here, inside my organization and outside my organization. So you can essentially have an automatic response, two different automatic responses depending on where the message comes from. So if we got people inside the organization, first we're going to do is click on Send Automatic Replies. Then you're going to want to specify your date range. So let's say I'm going to be out of here starting tomorrow, and I'm going to be out of here for the rest of the week. So we're going to start it tomorrow, and we'll just start it at 12 a.m. and then Friday we'll take it all the way to, well, actually, you know what, we'll say I'm going to be out. I'm not going to respond over the weekend, so it's going to stop on Sunday at 11:30 p.m. So basically for the next upcoming week, starting tomorrow at midnight all the way through Sunday at 11:30 p.m., anybody that emails this email address here is going to have these automatic replies. So people inside my organization are going to see this, and I'm just going to do a quick message. This is just a generic message. You can type in whatever you want here. So that's just a simple one that if anybody within my company, so inside my organization, emails this address, it's going to get this reply. Now we might want to have something different for somebody outside. So maybe a customer or a vendor is going to email. And so now we're going to do something a little bit more. I will tell them I'm gonna return to the office. Then you can put in another thing if this is, oops, urgent matter, please call, and you could have a number here. I'll just put in a generic number, or email someone at mycompany.com. Of course, you'd put in any email there, and now we would click OK. And now that automatic reply is configured. So we can come in here. Now let's say, oh, I just got a call and I'm not going on vacation. It was canceled. I can just simply turn it off. Now you'll see if I click OK, now it's off. Nothing indicates here. If we come back in, it still remembers my last one. So once you've configured one, really all you got to do is update your dates unless you want to change your message. So I just want to show one other cool thing that you can do here. So we're going to turn this back on. And for people outside my organization, I'm going to actually configure a rule, because maybe we just want all of my messages. Someone's going to actually help field my emails while I'm out. So I'm going to say rules. We're going to add a rule. And we're going to leave all this blank. You can specify different things. So if you wanted, specific messages from, anybody at, so you could say star's always a wild card at Microsoft.com. And you could say delete it. So anybody from Microsoft.com emails you while you're out, it's going to get deleted. Probably not what we want to do, but just an example. I'm going to clear that out. But something you might want to really do, and this can always be helpful, is forward it to somebody else. And I'm going to just say help at biztechtraining.com. So now, I'm going to hit OK here. So this rule is going to fire for all incoming messages. Is this what you want? And so basically, any emails for this time period, this rule is going to fire and automatically forward it to that help email. So I'm going to say yes, hit OK, and hit OK. So now if anybody emails that, oh, and now it's saying that they're on. So we're going to turn this off, and we're going to go back to automatic replies, make sure it's off, and let's just turn it back on just for fun, see if these rules are still here. So now we can just delete this rule if we want. If you ever configure rules, always make sure you double check them the next time you reset this. We'll say OK. So now it's showing it's back on, and again, you can easily just turn it off from here. You can also control this from the Outlook app on your mobile device, so on Android and iPhones. If you have the Outlook app and you forgot to do it in Outlook on your computer, you can open up the app there and I'm going to do the same thing. We'll have another video at some point to show you how to do that. So that concludes this video on how you can set up automatic replies in your Microsoft Outlook. Please go ahead and like and subscribe to our channel to get notifications on future training videos.